I recall a Maori proverb that I learned when I was roughly 15, and that is, the smallest puppies yap loudest. I think we know what that means, don't we? People is to do things quietly. Essentially just zip it. You don't have to make a big song and dance about your plans, ambitions or dreams. The best thing for you to do really is to go into warrior monk mode. Find yourself a quiet place, a secluded place to operate quietly with your own thoughts as you develop your strategies and your ideas and you formulate your plans. The people who are full of bombast and bravado and the people who are keenest to shout from the rooftops are often the ones who most usually fail to deliver. Another thing to consider is that if you start signaling and advertising your plans and projects to the world in general, it often in some sort of way robs you of motivation. It kind of sucks out some of the desire to get things done from you. Don't ask me how or why this happens, it just seems to happen to me anyway. If I have a project and I'm operating quietly in solitude on it, I get on well. But as soon as I start to tell other people about my project, I seem to lose some of the desire and drive that I need to be able to get things done. So, strategy number 1, do it quietly. Strategy number 2 is learn how to develop your capacity with humility. What I mean by this is learn how to park your ego, learn how to put aside the selfish drives, put aside any shard of self-entitlement that you might have. Lose it. It's no use to you. Dedicate yourself to the processes and the ambitions that you have with a fresh heart and a fresh mind. It's not a battle of wills between you and your ego. If you find yourself thinking about what you're going to get out of things or how you're going to triumph over others, then that's your ego speaking. Ideally, if you want to become a humble success, plough your own furrow, mind your own business, do it quietly, and learn to be humble, have a little bit of humility about the process. There is a word, discipline. So when you think of the word discipline, think of that innate love of the process, rather than the punishments that accompany not doing something. Put yourself in a position as a learner, as a student. Don't be a follower, be a student. Dedicate yourself to learning something new. Dedicate yourself to listening to expertise, sharing opinions, sharing comments below. All of those things. We've already looked at being the warrior monk, finding the solitude and learning how to zip it and how to be humble. Well, develop some new attitudes, embrace some new technologies. Pick a skill that you would like to improve and give yourself a 60-day challenge. Challenge yourself to do that thing each day for 60 days. You might be shocked and stunned by how much you can compress time and you can fast track your learning. Be a humble student. Choose something new to learn because you're never too old. There's only one day of your life when you're too old to learn, and that is going to be just before they nail down the lid on your coffin, in my humble opinion. What you need is an attitude of quiet dedication and inquiry. Become a humble success story by minding your own business, getting on with what suits you, and doing it in a concentrated, disciplined and loving way. But I made a promise. I made my own 60-day challenge, and my promise to you and to myself was I would post daily for 60 days. So I do walk the talk. So I'll leave you now, fellow seeker. Thank you for watching and listening thus far. And I'll leave you with one final thought, which is, whatever you dare to do or to dream, begin it now.